to add your conviction, may support ka pa dito, which is already created ng EA na ito. Aside from that, you already know that this is a support because of this area. So, ibig sabihin, on a higher time frame, you are looking for a buy opportunity because nagpakita na yung green candle on this particular price probably before this orange happens. Yung green na arrow nagpakita na on the support range. So, ibig sabihin, nagpakita na siya, you're gonna look for a buy. Since 15-minute time frame, bababa ka ngayon to a lower time frame. And ano nga hanapin mo? Since may higher time frame sa buy or green or red. Siyempre, ang hahanapin mo dito is all green. Okay? Green na mga checks. Diba? Green, 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 green. Pwedeng magkaroon ng green dito dahil nagkaroon ng breakout. Tama? Diba? Within this range, nag-appear yung red, sabayan mo. Okay? And then sa lower time frame, magkakaroon din yan ng mga bars that indicates your support and resistance on a 5-minute. But if you wanna follow the 15-minute resistance, it's okay. As long as hindi nabe-break yung major support mo. So probably kung di mo nasundan to, di hintay ka ulit ng isang green candle na nag-confirm dun sa support. Kasi ang tinitingnan mo naman bias nito is the 15-minute. Pag nagkaroon yung green, okay, nagkaroon ng breakout, then another confluence for you. Okay, and then hintayin mo siyang mag-trend kasi nga trending naman siya on the London session or opening ng London session.